Hello dear students, in the previous videos we learned about addition of single digit numbers and two digit numbers. In this video series we are going to learn about how to add three digit numbers, that is addition of three digit numbers. Let's learn about addition of three digit numbers. In order to understand it better, please do watch the previous two videos. It is given in the playlist. I'm taking three digit numbers 123 plus 367. These are the three digit numbers. Just you add units digits first, that is 7 plus 3 use 10. Then you add tens digits 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. Then you add hundreds digits 3 plus 1, that is 4. 490 is the answer. Take the next numbers 258 plus 487. 7 plus 8 15, carry 1. 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14, carry 1. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 745 is the answer. Let's take the next digits. 648 749. 9 plus 8 17, carry 1. 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. 7 plus 6 13, 13 4 97, 1397 is the answer. Let's take the next three digit numbers 798 867. 7 plus 8 17 15, carry 1. 6 plus 9 15 plus 1 16, carry 1. 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 1 16, 1665 is the answer. This is how we can add three digit numbers in one step. Let's learn about the next set of numbers. I'm taking the next set of numbers 399 plus 987. 486 plus 786. 343 plus 593. Let's add these numbers. How we add these numbers? 7 plus 9 16, carry 1. 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 1 18, carry 1. Again 1. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1386 is the answer. 6 plus 6 12, carry 1. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 17, carry 1 again. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12, 1272 is the answer. 3 plus 3 6, 9 plus 4 13, carry 1. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 936 is the answer. Let's take next set of numbers 894 plus 989. 9 plus 4 13, carry 1. 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 1 18, again carry 1. 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 1 18, 1883 is the answer. Let's proceed with the next set of numbers, that is addition of three digit numbers. I am going to take the next numbers as 477 plus 643. 499 plus 799. 999 plus 888. 777 plus 555. How to add these numbers? The same method. 3 plus 7 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 1 12. Carry 1 again. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 11. 9 plus 9 18. Carry 1. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 1 19. Again carry 1. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 1 12. 1298. 8 plus 9 17. Carry 1. 8 plus 9 17 plus 1 18. Carry 1. 8 plus 9 17. 17 plus 1 18. 1887 is the answer. 5 plus 7 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1 again. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1332 is the answer. This is how we can add 3-digit numbers. Let us proceed with the next type of addition, that is addition of 4-digit numbers. How to add 4-digit numbers? By the same method. We are going to take 4-digit numbers. 1 2 3 4. 1234 plus 4568. I'm taking these numbers. I'm adding units digits first. 8 plus 4 12. Carry 1. Tens places. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. Again carry 1. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 1 5. 5802 is the answer. Let's take the next 4-digit numbers. 4 5 6 7 plus 2 3 4 5. These are the 4-digit numbers. 4567. 2345. 5 plus 7, that is 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. Carry 1 again. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 plus 4 6. 6912 is the answer. 6789 plus 4567. 7 plus 9 16. Carry 1. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 1 15. Carry 1 again. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11,356 is the answer. Let's take the next number. 9,876 plus 6,543. 3 plus 6 9. 4 plus 7 11. Carry 1. 5 plus 8 13 plus 1 14. Carry 1 again. 6 plus 9 15 plus 1 16. 16,419 is the answer. This is how we are adding 4-digit numbers in one step. We are taking the next set of numbers. 5,649 plus 2,989. I'm taking the numbers randomly here. 9 plus 9 18. Carry 1. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1 again. 9 plus 6 15 plus 1 16, carry 1 again. 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8. 8638 is the answer. Let's proceed with the next step. Next set of numbers, 8997 plus 9868. 8 plus 7 15, carry 1. 6 plus 9 15 plus 1 16, carry 1. 8 plus 9 17 plus 1 18, carry 1 again. 9 plus 8 17 plus 1 18. 18,865 is the answer. Let me take next set of numbers. 9569 plus 9878. 8 plus 9 17, carry 1. 7 plus 6 13 plus 1 14, carry 1. 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14, carry 1. 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19. 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19. 19,447 is the answer. See, by this method, in one step, you can solve the questions on addition. Please try to use this method to solve the addition of single digit, two digit, three digit and four digit numbers. Now, addition of numbers. How to add the numbers with a different number of digits? 9,562, 323, 24 plus 1. I am adding units digit first. A very simple method. 1 plus 4 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10, carry 1 here, 0. After the tens digit, 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. Carry 1 again. Now hundreds places. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 1 9. Thousands place. Here only 1 9. That is 9. 9,910 is the answer for this question. Or else, if we do by the conventional method, see this much of time it takes. 323, 24 plus 1. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 1 11. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9,990. Both will get the same answer, but here we'll get in one step. Therefore, don't prefer the conventional method of addition. Let's proceed with the next set of numbers. Addition of numbers like 8,986, 9,826 plus 398 plus 26. Add singles or units digit first. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 6 20. 20 plus 6 26. Carry 2. 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13 plus 8 21. 21 plus 2 23. Carry 2 again. 3 plus 8 11. 11 plus 9 20. 20 plus 2 22. Carry 2 again. 9 plus 8 17. 17 plus 2 19. 19,236 is the answer. Next, proceed with the new set of numbers. 8,949 plus 4869 plus 39 plus 483 plus 6849. Let's add units digit first. So that's why I'm telling you one step method is very important to save your time. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 21 plus 9 30, 30 plus 9 39, carry 3, 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 4 25, 25 plus 3 28, carry 2, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 9 29 plus 2 31, carry 3, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21,189 is the answer for this question. This is how we can solve the questions in one step. That is, one step addition is the total summary of this video. 9,848, 6,489, 7,786, 4,898 plus 49. When we add these numbers, let's see. 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 6 23, 23 plus 9 30, 2 plus 8 40, carry 4, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 8 29, 29 plus 4 33, 33 plus 4 37, carry 3, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 8 27, 27 plus 3 30, carry 3, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 3 22, 22,070 is the answer. This is how we can add the numbers in one step. This we call as one step addition. You can add any type of numbers by using this one step addition. Thank you for watching.